Hey guys, so I am here to make a video on 5 tips for finding your flow. I've been wanting to make this video for a while, so I'm just gonna go for it. So I have some tips for you guys if you're kind of in like a funk, a rut. These are some things that have helped me. So I'm gonna start with the first one. Very important. Change the scenery. Seriously, if you're always flowing in the same spot, I feel like you will just start to lack inspiration. It happens a lot. I've had that happen to me multiple times because I tend to flow in the same spot, and yes, it's like comfortable, but I find that sometimes I get in kind of like a funk because I'm just kind of looking at the same stuff every day and it gets kind of boring. So changing your scenery, going to a different park, going to the beach, going to like a destination just to get like a video or even just to clear your head, that usually helps me a lot. So that's the first one. I'm also looking at my little notes here. Another one that is super important for flow is to flow with your non-dominant hand. So that one just opens up the doors to so many new tricks. It's also just important to be able to do what you can do on your dominant hand, on your non-dominant hand. That way you're not getting stuck, you know, as soon as it hits your left or right hand, depending on which one is your non-dominant hand, you might find yourself like stuck and don't really know what to do. So I say spend time with that. Spend time with your non-dominant hand. Do all the tricks you know on your right side, on your left side, and it will help a lot. Or vice versa. Do all the tricks you know on your left side, on your right side, whichever is your non-dominant. The third tip is to do moves in reverse. So if you're doing your frontwards weave, try doing a backwards weave and do the same thing on your non-dominant side. So those two can kind of go together. So make sure you're doing moves forward and backwards, and you'll be surprised, like those two things open up the door for so many new tricks. You'll be surprised at like all the new things that you could end up unlocking. It's really fun. The fourth one is to slow it down. I think sometimes we get caught up in the speed and like wanting to land a trick really fast, and yes, it looks cool, but if you just slow down those moves and like really spend time with like where the hoop is on your body, it feels really good and you can get more connected to your hoop, and then that's what actually unlocks the speed. So if you are spending time doing those moves super slow, you'll feel every part of your body kind of working towards getting that move just right, and then you can just feel like really connected, and it unlocks a lot of connection in your body, and it just flows so well when you really just slow down those moves. And the fifth one, change the music. I struggled with this one because I would just kind of play like the same genre of music over and over again, and it would get kind of boring. And I also found myself anticipating like the drops, or like anticipating certain parts of the song and like trying to flow to it specifically. So many times when I hear a song that I've never heard before, it's the best flow that I've had. So definitely change the music. Change it to something you never even listened to. Change it to jazz. Change it to something from a different decade. Change it to anything else other than what you normally listen to. Like for me, I normally listen to like EDM or like, and there's so many genres of that as well, but changing the music is so important because it just unlocks movement in your body that you didn't even know. Our bodies naturally connect to music in different ways, and you'll naturally want to move differently when you listen to different music, and that's a really fun way to unlock flow. So it's kind of a short video. I feel like I just kind of rushed through that, but those are my 5 tips for you guys. I definitely recommend trying it out. If you have any questions, want to hear more tips, let me know. I think I might make like a part 2 to this, so we'll see. But those are my 5 main tips for you guys. And yeah, I hope that this helps you guys unlock some flow. And yeah, hope you like it.